Hey everyone! Did you know that renting a car in Switzerland can cost you up to 50% less if you know the right tips and tricks? Yeah, it's true. In this video, you'll learn how to save money on renting a car in Switzerland, making your trip more affordable and enjoyable. So, if you're planning a trip to this stunning country, stick around because I've got some awesome advice for you. Alright, let's dive into the problem. Renting a car in Switzerland can be pretty expensive. You've got high rental rates, and then there's insurance to think about, plus all those sneaky additional fees that can quickly add up. It's like you're trying to enjoy the breathtaking scenery, but your wallet is crying in the back seat. And let's be honest, nobody wants to feel like they've been ripped off when they just want to explore the beautiful Swiss Alps or drive along those picturesque lakes. So, what can we do about it? Well, I'm glad you asked. We'll explore various strategies to help you save some serious cash. First off, booking in advance is a game changer. The earlier you book, the better the rates you'll find. Trust me, procrastination is not your friend when it comes to car rentals. Next, always compare rental companies before making a decision. Some companies might offer better deals than others, so do your homework. Also, understanding your insurance options is crucial. You don't want to overpay for coverage you might not even need. And finally, consider alternative pickup locations. Sometimes renting from an airport can be pricier due to added fees. Check out city locations instead, you might be surprised at the savings. Now, here comes the key insight: small adjustments in your car rental approach can lead to significant savings. When you book wisely, leverage discounts, and stay informed about your options, you're not just saving money, you're making your trip a whole lot more enjoyable. Imagine cruising through the stunning Swiss countryside without the stress of overspending hanging over your head. Sounds like a dream, right? To wrap up, remember to plan ahead, compare prices, and be aware of hidden costs to make the most of your car rental experience in Switzerland. It's all about being smart and savvy with your choices. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other travel videos and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your adventures in Switzerland. Catch you later.